We are finally back on the road. We're super excited, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll share with you where we're heading. So we've got supplies, we've got breakfast.
Yes.
Because it's an early, well, it was an early one, but not so early now.
No.
By the time we fannied around. But yeah, back on the road, that's the main thing. Kind of a bit fine, aren't we? Because of the traffic, eh?
Good old M25, eh?
I love it.
Horrible bloody road.
We made it! With 41 minutes to spare.
Yeah.
Can't see John, but he's there, look.
Hello there, like, you know. Wow. Looks like we're going to be really busy tonight.
The busy one.
Hey?
The busy one.
Yeah, look. There's hundreds of us.
In the quiet of the night, when the world's asleep, I dive into the depths of thoughts so vast and deep.
This is how we roll in our PJs. On day 2 of getting through France, eh?
Yeah, she's still wearing the same PJ. She hasn't got changed from the first night in France till now.
Nope, not going to change. We're sitting on our asses in the van for 19 hours.
Yeah. We've got 9.5 to go.
Why are we doing 19 hours?
We're trying to get to Mojacar. Welcome to Mojacar.
We are aiming to surprise the in-laws, Sean's mum and stepfather, aren't we?
Yeah.
So they don't know until we arrive that that's where we're headed.
Well, I just got a funny feeling we're going to get there to go, surprise! And
And
they're
they're
going to
not
go,
there.
actually, we're not there. Surprise, back on you.
Oh well. It's all part of the adventure, eh?
It is. So get this drive out the way and then we're going to take it real slow. Just pootering back along the coastline.
And not in my PJs.
No, hopefully
Maybe.
on your PJs.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Has it?
We have woken up to what degree was it?
17 degrees this
17
morning.
degrees this morning. So we're on the final stretch towards Mojacar.
Mojacar, yes, we are.
So we've got 4.5 hours to go before we surprise the in-laws.
Yeah.
We'll have the surprise put back on us. We don't
If
know.
they're not there,
So we will see.
there'll be 20 hours well driven.
Yes. But anyway, the sun is shining. I'm not in my PJs this morning. I am
Awesome.
dressed. It feels good, doesn't it?
I feel so good.
Feels good to be back in the sunshine.
Definitely loving it. Here again. Every man, woman and child for themselves.
It is.
Fucking hell. Hells. Nothing, just drive.
You made it, baby. You made it.
We did, didn't we?
About 20 hours of driving, I think, in total, wasn't it?
Yeah, 20 hours of driving. We are now 15 minutes away from getting there.
Whoop, whoop.
We're going to do nothing for days. Just chill.
Absolutely.
Kidding me?
Well,
Well, so much for that surprise. Driven 3 hours to come and see, 3 hours, 19.5 hours to come and see you, and you're not even in.
you were
Unbelievable.
FaceTiming, weren't you, to show?
Yeah.
Never mind, we'll try again in a bit. But look at that view.
What a view, eh?
Not a bad view, eh? Good morning. So here we are, we finally made it. They finally answered their FaceTime, didn't they?
Did. Here we are.
I don't know how many attempts it took, quite a few.
Quite a few.
We actually got moved on as well from the local police because we were parked
Way.
along the coast here. And vehicles over
5 metres.
5 metres aren't allowed to park along the coastline. Has to be the next street along. So we got moved on.
For the first time, eh?
First time in 7 months, 8 months
Yeah.
that we've been moved on.
But hey ho.
Yeah. Worst places to be moved on to.
Yeah, exactly.
So here we are. This is where they live. This is their view every morning. Can't beat it, eh?
It's right for some, eh?
And see just down there the bowling green is. They're down there doing their morning bowls. Can't beat that lifestyle, eh?
Oh. And we're up here having our morning cuppa.
Having our morning tea.
Enjoying the sun on the skin.
Ah, it's a great feeling, isn't it?
What an incredible feeling.
It really is. Something about Spain though, it's just a really calming atmosphere, isn't it?
Down as it calms us right down in Spain.
Don't know why. But yeah, we'll go and explore a bit later, won't we?
Yeah, go for a little walk. See what we can find.
Yeah. All this to get some, what was it, a pair of shorts? Had to unload the whole van. Look at the state of this. Summer clothes are in that bag.
Turns like a full body workout.
I love it.
Setting it up.
The Hoover went off everything.
We're just checking out the spot here on our way to Hippie Beach. We were just saying we reckon we might spend a couple of days down there where those campers are completely off grid, but right by the sea. I think it'd be pretty cool. So watch the space, we might just be there in the next video.
Sunshine in the sky so blue, dancing wild, just me and you. Flowers bloom in colors bright, feel the love under the light.
Look at it, it just goes on forever. And apparently it started off with just a few stones, and people have kept coming back and back and putting more and more down. And what you end up with is this incredible creation that we're seeing. How mad is this?
I wonder whether it's like the Enzo circle. No beginning and no end.
The hippie hip shake.
For the hippie beach.
Yeah.
So after spending 48 hours of heavy rain,
Yeah, about that much, eh?
we've come back to the hippie beach and we're going to put down our rocks that we've painted, eh?
Yeah.
And hopefully spend the night here, which will be lovely. I shall show you the view we have. Not a bad view.
Love the sound of the ocean.
Oh, it's lovely. So let's go and put these rocks down, shall we?
Yeah. So we've put our stones down at Old Hippie Beach and left our mark for others to see. And just like that, our first week in Spain comes to an end. It's been a fantastic week catching up with the family. And I guess there's nothing else left to say but catch you on the flip side.